Hello students, welcome to Marvel. This is my 30th year in maths coaching. To celebrate 30 years of maths experience, we just started a live online classes exclusive for maths, particularly for CBSE 9th to 12th students. This is not along with offline students, exclusive only for online students. And class timing is 7 to 8:30. For a few classes, for a few students, 12th standard is 7:15 to 8:45. So after school hour, you can join tuitions. No need to worry about this tuition timing. And what is the advantage of Marvel? At best study material. Yes, I will provide my own material. Also with standard books. Doubt clarification class, exclusive doubt clarification class. You can interact with me. And whatever the doubt you have, you can easily clarify along with me. And weekly test or alternative weeks. If it is small chapter, I will conduct weekly test. And regular assessment. Based on test, I will give one-to-one feedback. And classroom experience, yes. Reason is, you can interact with me. And if you want to attend additional classes, alternative Sunday, I will arrange additional class. Senior Marvel faculty will take that additional class. They will teach additional sums for more confidence. That is very important. And I will assure that you will get good marks, 95 to 100 I will assure. Reason is, this is my strong area in CBSE maths coaching. And don't worry about your future. My coaching will always give very good marks. So if you are aiming to join for online tuition, call or WhatsApp these two numbers. Our coordinator will help, and they will send all the details about this CBSE online class, maths online classes. All the best. Thank you.